Okay, let's have a look at product master data. So we all know what a product is. I will take my wonderful example of ibuprofen 400 milligram tablets for the German market. And in this case, we must first understand that in the life cycle of a product, you have basically research and development, you have clinical trials, you have registration, dossier submission, manufacturing, commercialization, so let's scale ups. You have the quality and compliance aspects for the batches. You have post-market surveillance. You have stability monitoring also. And this is just high-level examples and puzzle pieces. And all of these aspects can only work if you're able to clearly identify your product. If you're able to clearly identify the batches within a product. Keep in mind that if you have the ibuprofen 400 milligram tablets, you could have hundreds of different variations of this product. Why? Because you have different primary packaging. Sometimes you have blisters with one layer of aluminum. Sometimes for some countries, 2 layers of aluminum. Some other countries need triplex packaging. You have 3 layers of aluminum. So that already means you have 3 variables just for the thickness of the primary packaging. Then you have the secondary packaging, which can receive design updates, language updates, regulatory updates, because the realization needs to be added, a QR code needs to be added. You will have different versions of it. And you might end up of hundreds, dozens of different product variations for actually the very same tablet. And to manage all of this, you need to have a very solid master data management system in place that is not only focusing on the tablets, but also on things like packaging, primary, secondary, tertiary packaging, and so on and so on. So one source of master data can be simply product-related data that needs to be there to be reused throughout the life cycle of the entire product. So even in 10 years, we can exactly identify right product, the right batch, and we know exactly where it was produced, where it was analyzed, who did the release, based on which specification and method the release was performed, and so on and so on.